Hey everybody, I'm continuing my Leaf Hobby Break series. I've done football, I've done Flash, I've done Ultimate. I have done one box of this already and I'm about to do the second. I still have the Trinity and I have Valiant on the way. The benefit of the baseball is you get 6 autos, where the football, each box only delivers 5. So if you want to know if there's any real difference between the two, well, I'd call that a pretty big difference. When you're only getting a couple of cards, one more is kind of a big deal, I guess. I have not pulled anything incredible. I'll go ahead and tell you that. I'm not telling you don't watch the videos. They're worth watching and they're very fast, so you won't waste a lot of your time, that's for sure. But you know, I've been pulling some crazy big stuff lately, so don't expect to see that. Maybe this time, maybe this will be the lucky box. Alright, I've just covered the cards up. We're going to do them one at a time. There are 6. And the first one is Jessen Rosario. It's about to come out of the holder. That is some kind of pink something or another, numbered out of 20. Next is Daniel Lynch. It's like a green wave. 4 out of 5. Super short print. Next up is, if I can get it in my hand, Jeremy Ironman. Ooh, I like these State Pride. Looks to be the orange version, which is numbered 4 out of 7. So this is a pretty decent card here. Definitely like the State Pride. I want the box of which Leaf, I guess metal, is there a Leaf Metal Draft football? I want the Leaf box that has the football State Prides. I guess that, I gotta do some research, or maybe somebody comment below and let me know which box. I want that box too before I stop opening this Leaf stuff. Connor Scott, another wave, prism wave type deal. This one's not numbered. I think it's the only card I've pulled out of Leaf Metal Draft that's not been numbered. Where are we at now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more cards. Ah, yes, there we go. Yes, now we're talking. Nick Madrigal out of 35. Sweet. Now that helps. That makes Mama feel better. Give me a hug, Nicky baby. Sweet, that is a nice card. And I love the looks of these cards. Love. Sweet, okay. Last one, is it going to be able to, I pulled a lot of it. Casey Mize, are you freaking kidding me? Top picks, Casey Mize. What a box. That's weird. Well, I mean, it's not numbered, but what's, oh, okay. This must be a space 4 numbering if you get lucky enough to get a version that is numbered. Wow, I wished I was, but still, I mean, to pull these 2 back to back, can't really complain, can I? Although it does look like this has one of those typical little ding things, those little tiny dot. You can see that there. Sorry, I cut my nails too low. I look gross. Yee, don't look at my finger. There you go. Still, good box. Really solid box. With a couple of super short prints. Yeah, the Ironman out of 7 and the Lynch out of 5. The Mize and the Madrigal. Pretty good box. Good job, Leaf. I'm starting to question whether I had made a terrible decision to buy these Leaf hobby boxes, but no, that's pretty good. Give credit where credit's due. Okay, guys, if you want to be watching for that, because that's coming up, and the Leaf Valiant box, and if I can figure out which box has the State Pride football autographs, I'm going to get one of those too. So that's it for now. Take care. I'll be back soon.